Here Reed is replacing a cracked glass top on a Kenmore electric range, probably made by GE or Frigidaire, but they all look pretty much the same. Glass top replacements vary from easy to pretty hard. You need to be careful when you're fooling with the glass to not stress it side to side, cause troubles. And you also need to price the job before you go, because the customer's going to have a heart attack when they find out that piece of glass costs $300 just for the glass. And it's another $150 or $200 for you to replace it. So make sure to quote before you go buying that glass. On this one, Reed has to access the glass top by removing those screws and then flipping the thing back. There it goes, starting to lift it up. And it's got a pivot point in the back. Reed's looking for a big Molex connector to allow him to maneuver that top without disconnecting all those wires. Some have a monster connector and the whole top will just come right off. But we haven't seen it on this one yet. He's trying to get some freedom here to be able to see what the best way is to remove all those burners. Oh, there goes one burner piece. Just looks like it fell off. See how the burners are attached to the framework of the top of the range? There's the crack. So he's going to get slick and drop all the burners down from the glass top, and that way he doesn't have to disconnect any of the wiring. He's thinking ahead, that boy. If he can get the other side off, then I think he's going to be able to lift that big glass piece right out of there. There you go. That's 3 of the 4 screws. These burners are made of the type of ceramic that's on the front of the space shuttle. You know, one of these high temperature, very lightweight, porous, complicated stuff. So it looks like he's got that thing off already, and he's going to have to just see which pieces he has to move to the new glass top and then put it back together.